This is an Algebra 1 Regent question from the August 2014 Regent question number 5. Which point is not on the graph represented by y is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 6? We need to try each of these answer choices 1, 2, 3, and 4 to see which one does not make the equation true, and that is the answer to the question. Let's start with choice 1. The x value they give us is -6, the y value is 12. So wherever we see a y, we're going to plug in a 12. Wherever we see an x, we're going to plug in -6. So 12 is equal to -6 squared plus 3 times -6 minus 6. The easiest way to simplify the right-hand side of the equation is to just plug the whole string into the calculator. So -6 squared plus 3 times -6 minus 6, and enter. That's 12. So since 12 is equal to 12, choice 1 can't be the answer to the question because we're looking for a point that does not make the equation true. Let's try choice 2. Wherever we see a y, we're going to plug in a -2. Wherever we see an x, we're going to plug in -4. Let's plug in the right-hand side of the equation. -4 squared plus 3 times -4 minus 6. Enter. -2 is equal to -2, so choice 2 is not the answer to the question. Let's move on to choice 3. Wherever we see a y, we're going to plug in a 4. And wherever we see an x, we're going to plug in a 2. And we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to plug in the whole right-hand side into the calculator. So +2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 6. Enter. 4 is equal to 4. So choice 3 is not the answer to the question. So you could probably assume that choice 4 will be the answer to the question, but let's just check it just to be sure. Wherever we see a y, we're going to plug in a -6. Wherever we see an x, we're going to plug in a +3. Is -6 equal to 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 6? Enter. -6 is not equal to +12, so this point 3, -6 is not on the graph represented by y is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 6, so choice 4 is the answer to the question.